Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 2. Let's get started. Number 1. Humble. It means modest, not proud. Here are 2 examples. 1. Despite his success, he remained humble. 2. She gave a humble apology for her mistake. Number 2. Diligent. It means hardworking and careful. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is a diligent student who always finishes her homework. 2. Diligent workers are valued in every company. Number 3. Fragile. It means easily broken or damaged. Here are 2 examples. 1. Be careful. The glass vase is fragile. 2. Their relationship was fragile after the argument. Number 4. Grateful. It means feeling or showing thanks. Here are 2 examples. 1. I am grateful for your help. 2. She wrote a grateful note to her teacher. Number 5. Optimistic. It means hopeful and confident about the future. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is optimistic about finding a new job soon. 2. Even in tough times, he stayed optimistic. Number 6. Pessimistic. It means expecting the worst to happen. Here are 2 examples. 1. He is pessimistic about the outcome of the project. 2. Don't be so pessimistic. Things will get better. Number 7. Timid. It means shy or lacking courage. Here are 2 examples. 1. The timid child hid behind her mother. 2. He was too timid to ask the question. Number 8. Versatile. It means able to do many different things. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is a versatile actor who can play many roles. 2. Eggs are versatile ingredients in cooking. Number 9. Unique. Good. It means one of a kind. Here are 2 examples. 1. Everyone has a unique fingerprint. 2. That painting is unique and valuable. Number 10. Precise. It means exact and accurate. Here are 2 examples. 1. The instructions were clear and precise. 2. He gave a precise measurement of the room. Now, let's do a quick recap. Humble, diligent, fragile, grateful, optimistic, pessimistic, timid, versatile, unique, and precise. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.